Hi friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It is so great to have you here. If you are new, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be cooking dinner, and I would like to take you along while I prepare this dinner. So we are going to be starting with making some juice. Recently my boys have been enjoying mango juice mixed with passion, and it's what we are going to be having first. So join me as we make juice and then prepare for dinner later, right? Keep along and let's enjoy the vlog. Recently, I read a blog where someone was advising people to actually just eat their fruits rather than making juice out of them. He said that when you blend your fruits and make juice out of them, there are certain nutrients that you actually miss than when you just eat the fruits direct. Yeah? So let me know, guys, have you heard about this? How true is this, guys? I feel like it is something to debate about. And which fruits do you actually enjoy? I love mangoes so much, and truth is I love eating them rather than making juice out of them. So let me know in the comment section. I'll be so glad to interact with you. As we wait for the juice to blend, we are going to be having beans and posho for dinner. So we are going to be starting with sorting out the beans, sorting out the ones that are spoiled, and then cleaning up the ones that we are going to be cooking. Yeah, if you are in a country or a place where you buy beans that are already sorted, just know you are blessed. Yeah. Here in Uganda, most of the beans that we buy, okay, it determines where you have bought them, but most of the beans that we buy, you have to first make sure that you sort them out, because they always mix them up with the ones that are spoiled. It takes a lot of time to sort out beans, and then these are the ones I'm talking about. They have stones in them, you know. So you have to make sure that you sort them out and you get these clean ones that you're seeing. Yeah, so I had already put water on fire, so I was just here putting the beans so that they can boil. And our juice is also done with blending, so I'm going to be straining out the residues. And just like that, our juice is done. Look at how it looks from the glass. It looks so amazing, and it was indeed tasty. Yeah, it's my boy's new favorite juice. Meanwhile, I also wanted to show you this honey that I bought from my local supermarket in Uganda. We call it omubisi gwenjuchi. It was for 12,000 Ugandan shillings. Let me know how you call honey in your language. Meanwhile, this is how our beans look like so far. So the water has drained out, and we're going to be adding in more water, and then we give it 1 more hour as it boils. But as it is cooking, we are going to be cutting the spices that we're going to be using for cooking the beans. So we'll be having avocado with our food. If you've been here for long, now you know that avocado is one of our favorites in this house. And yeah, the beans are ready, so we're going to be frying and putting all our ingredients together so we make a beautiful sauce. You can see how it looks like. It is ready and they already look amazing. So those are the spices that we are going to be using. And let me take you through the process of how we do it all at once. Look at that, guys. So our sauce is ready. As you can see, it's already looking amazing. That is how I always cook my beans. See that? And it smells really amazing. And this is how our food turned out. This first plate, it was for hubby, and then the other one you're seeing is mine. This avocado disappointed me. It didn't turn out like the way I expected it to. It looked to be really nice, but as you can see, it had some clumps. Yeah, I don't know how to explain that, but it didn't look like how it is right now. So our beans tasted so amazing, they were so tasty, and yeah, that is how we closed the night. So meanwhile, I'll be cleaning up the kitchen and then closing the kitchen for the night. So while I was washing the dishes, power went off. The struggles of a content creator here in Uganda. So if you are planning to do videos, I would really advise you to have some light with you all the time, actually, to help you with creating your videos. So as you can see, my husband was actually the one holding that light that you're seeing. To help me complete my video, I had to make sure that regardless of whether the power has gone, I had to continue with the recording of my videos. So this is exactly it. One of the struggles we have here in Uganda is power shortages. Yeah, that it can go anytime wherever you are. So regardless, we continue with our video. So this was me heading towards the closing up of each and everything. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Kindly give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. I'll be so glad to hear from you. From me to you is a bye-bye, and see you in the next video.